Are you getting the most out of your Immunotec purchases? Imagine unlocking deeper savings, scoring exclusive offers, and reaping the benefits of a program designed to enhance your shopping experience. This is what you get when you become a preferred customer with Immunotec. The program is simple and straightforward. As soon as you become a preferred customer, you instantly enjoy a 10% discount on every order you place. It's like a permanent sale, just for you. But it doesn't stop there. Activate a monthly subscription known as Auto Ship, and that discount jumps to a whopping 25% on that order and every subsequent one. Plus, you get exclusive access to specially designed customer product packs that pack in greater value and more savings. But the perks don't end there. Every purchase you make earns you rewards. For every $200 you spend, you receive $20 in product credits. Whether you accumulate this total over time or in a single purchase, these rewards are yours to claim. And then there's the cherry on top, the Immunotec Customer Referral Program. As a preferred customer, you receive your own exclusive Refer a Friend link. Share it with friends and family. When they place a minimum order of $75, they get a $10 reward credit and a 10% discount on their first order. And guess what? You also receive a $10 reward credit as a thank you from us. Being an Immunotec preferred customer is a win-win situation, where your loyalty is rewarded every step of the way. From instant discounts to specially designed product packs, and from earning product credits to sharing the benefits with friends and family, every aspect of the program is designed with you in mind. So why wait? Embrace the savings, reap the rewards, and start living your healthiest, most vibrant life today with Immunotec. Because good health is the greatest wealth.